Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and buy players on eFootball. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're going to do first, you're gonna go ahead access your eFootball app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna pop up, right? So afterwards, what you're gonna go is simply gonna go ahead tap on this contract option given in this pink box icon. Go ahead tap on it, and now here you're gonna see all kinds of options, including this option called standard player list, which we need. So you're gonna go ahead tap on it, and here you can see all of the players with the amount to how much they cost for you to get. So simply gonna go ahead tap on the particular player. So we can see we can go ahead check out all of the info regarding him, and we can tap on this assign afterwards. And now it will ask, since I do not have enough GP, I cannot purchase it. But if you would like, if you have enough GP available, you can go ahead tap on them and tap on this assign option, and then you will tap on the confirm regarding your payment with the GP, and you will be able to get that player. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.